Hey everyone, we are on Happy Wheels and we are going to go type. Yay! There's some things. Oliver Miles, right? Interesting. Let's do you. Oh, I know this one. Pikachu. Go up, my beauty. Whee! No, I need to go back. Go back. Yeah. Pretty. That was interesting. Now we need to go into menu, change character. Oh, that was awful. You interesting. Let's choose Santa. Yeah, because why not? Ooh, Santa, go my beauty. Oh, elves. Elves. Is this actually a level? Come on. Well, that was easy. You replay. Go on. You know you want to do it. And then it goes smack down. Oh, come on, Elfies. Look at that replay. And then he falls down and then I'll win. Right. Ooh, spike fall. Spike fall. No, I don't want that. No, I don't want that. Pokemon, go! Oh, jeez. Right, I'm ready. Go! Oh no, spike! Oh no! I need to complete one. Oh, look at them skills. Go on, stop doing the snake. There we go. No, not what I was expecting. Right. I know what we need to do now. We need to jump. Then, how do you do that thing? No! Right, different spike fall. Wait, no, why did I press that? Oh man. I'm gonna get killed. Oh no! I can still do it! No. That was bad. Right. Okay, let's stop that now. Spike fall hard. Why are you people picking each other? Let's choose this. Oh no, this one. I saw my brother do this one. No. The one. You can do it. No, you can't. Embarrassing. I know what to do now. I know what to do. Zooming girls. Right. Go on. Fall my ribs off. Go on. Fall. My ribs didn't go though. I know to do. Oh, my minecart is there! That's epic! No, that can't happen, minecart. Right. Non-tedium. Non-tedium.
I'll tell you what I'm doing. No, I can't have you inviting me in the gameplay.
Non-tedium quiz. What is it's a pig. Oh, fine, I'll start that again. It's a pug. Oh, let me in. Oh, jeez. Oh, I know this one. But no, it's not. It's blue. No. I have to start all over again. It's a pug, thank you. It's not a pig. Pug or a pig, they sound very similar. Let me in. It's blue. Let me in. Yes, he has. And then, stand here. No. Maybe I have to start that again. Why did I waste my time on that one? It's a poop, thank you. So, it's blue. He did dye his hair orange. But no, that's wrong. Don't want it. Yes, he has. Wait, no, let me out. I'm gonna crush that glass. Yes, he has. Put me in. Yes. No.
Right, Aunt.
Again. Bye, Mummy. I'm recording another video. Right, so it's a pug, thank you. Let me... I broke both of them. No. That's wrong. I'm going to keep on doing this level until I get it right. That's right. Non-TDM's favourite animal is a pug. So let me out. Blue, of course. I've seen his videos and yes, he has. Oh, come on. Yes. Tube heroes. Tube heroes, right. Yes, I completed it. Right, non-TDM quiz. There's loads of things. Music.
Do you want to put sandwich on? Sure.
What? Oh no. It's probably not that one. Let's restart. Whee! It's you. Then which one is it? Let's try that again.
Are you recording?
Yes.
No.
Mom, James just ruined my video. So, that was really horrible. And let's go on to another non-TDM quiz. Yay! Pokemon, behave yourself. Phew. Oh, stop, Jackie. Anti-DM. I actually won.
Oliver,
What?
they want to help me. They want to give him a present today. Or he's going to play on the computer.
I'll do that. Right. So, so guys, I'm going to have to end this video here. If you did enjoy, please leave a big fat thumbs up and enjoy the next video. Yeah, please leave a like. Wait, no, subscribe some views. Bye!